The game that Ma Long never forgets. This is the most thrilling battle of Ma Long. The South Korean coaches have studied Ma Long's game several months before this battle. Coach Liu Guoliang has consumed a lot of energy for this battle. No one can assure 100% win in table tennis, especially for the Olympic Games. This is the men's single round 1/8 in the Rio Olympics. At the end, Jeoung Young-sik has burst into tears. He lost the game, but he earned the respect of everyone in the stadium, both from Ma Long and Coach Liu. After the game, Jeoung Young-sik said in the interview, "The coach and I have spent several months studying the video of Ma Long's technique and tactics. Because Ma Long will never study my game, so I have a chance, and the study has paid off. I was leading Ma Long 2-0. When Ma Long was leading 10-7 at the second set, Jeoung Young-sik has scored 5 points in a row. He made a magical comeback that even Coach Liu can't believe in his eye. This is very rare that Ma Long can finish the set. This is a critical and very dangerous situation for both Ma Long and for China." Ma Long's morale was down completely. Look at his gesture, he lost everything. But during the break, Liu Guoliang has a miracle coaching method. Ma Long's mental strength is now at 0. Coach Liu asked Ma Long to change his jersey. He talked to Ma Long, "When you come back with a new jersey, you should think that this is a new game. Forget the score." And it worked. Ma Long is very calm now. He forgets completely that he was down 0-2. He just came back and started to play like a new game. For the third game, the two players are starting again as a new match. Ma Long won 11-5 in the third game. In the fourth game, Ma Long has found his peak performance. He stepped back and used his ultimate weapon, his forehand attack. The score is exaggerated, 11-1. Yes, every time when Ma Long was in trouble, he relied on his forehand topspin, the most powerful and the most consistent on the planet. In the fifth game, both players are very anxious. Because this is the deciding game, who won this game will win the match. From 9-9 to 11-11, the score is very close. The game was super exciting. Ma Long was more confident at this moment. He won 13-11. Liu Guoliang was so excited, he jumped up. In the sixth game, nothing to lose, the South Korean started to attack more. Ma Long was quickly behind. The score is 7-10. Ma Long used his backhand serve. This showed that Ma Long wanted to slow down the pace of the game, and it worked. Jeoung Young-sik lost 3 match points in a row. It hurts too much. Both coaches outside are very nervous. At the end, Ma Long narrowly won 13-11. This is the most thrilling match of Ma Long's whole career. Jeoung Young-sik was so regretful he could defeat Ma Long. The image that he hides his face and crying has touched a lot of table tennis fans. He has reached his limit but still can't defeat Ma Long. But he won the respect of all the table tennis fans. After winning this game, Ma Long is undefeatable. This game opens a new era of Ma Long. He won everyone and becomes the Grand Slam table tennis. Today, he is the greatest table tennis player of all time, but he will never forget this game.